Carrots, carrots, orange and sweet. I'm in a salad good for eyes. Spinach, spinach, leafy green, so nutritious, cannot be beat. Broccoli, broccoli, little trees, eating veggies make you strong. Tomatoes, tomatoes, red and round, healthy snacks are always found. Carrots, spinach, broccoli, tomatoes too, so tasty. Eating veggies every day keeps you healthy, that's the way. Potatoes, potatoes, brown and round, mashed or baked, so crispy. Onions, onions makes you cry, so many dishes made by me. Chilies, chilies, splendor and green, I'm in a curry, so spicy. Brinjal, brinjal, purple and neat, I'm in a roast, quite a treat. Carrots, spinach, broccoli, tomatoes too, so tasty. Potatoes, onions, green chilies, brinjal too, so healthy. Eating veg is good for health. Try to eat it every day. Try to eat it every day. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் பார்க்க நம்மளோட சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.